student, we have seen how elements are classified by different scientists. The first one we have seen Dobereiner triad, second one we have seen Newland's octave, and third one, that is Mendeleev's periodic table. We have also seen merit and demerit of classification of different types of elements done by these three scientists. So they have merit also and they have demerit also. We have seen in different videos what are the merits and what are the demerit, and how scientists have classified these elements according to increasing atomic mass number. That is, they have considered atomic mass as the fundamental property of an element. And you know that atomic mass means the addition of proton and neutron is nothing but atomic mass. That is, addition of proton and neutron present in the nucleus is called as atomic mass. They don't consider or did not consider the atomic number as the fundamental property. So always remember, Dobereiner, Newland and Mendeleev has tried to classify the elements according to their atomic mass number and not the atomic number. Now next point present on the page number 20 is that use your brain power. The first question I am going to read it. Write the molecular formula of the oxide by referring the Mendeleev's periodic table. That is, you have to write. We have seen Mendeleev try to classify the element by taking into consideration oxide and hydrides of different element. Oxide means how that element combine with oxygen. It is called as oxide. And hydride means how that element combine with a hydrogen. It is called as hydride. Now they have given you some compounds and you have to write the oxides of that element by referring the Mendeleev's periodic table. First element is sodium. Symbol is Na. It is called as sodium. Oxides, I have written the answer. Oxides of element Na2O. That is sodium oxide. Next one element silicon. SiO2, silicon dioxide. Third element carbon, CO2, carbon dioxide. Fourth Rb, that is rubidium, Rb2O. O means oxygen, rubidium oxide. Then phosphorus, P2O5, that is phosphorus pentaoxide. Next is barium, BaO, that is barium oxide. Next one chlorine. How it chlorine combine with oxygen, that is Cl2O. This is the molecular formula, that is chlorine monoxide. Next one is Sn. This Sn means tin. The name of this element is tin. Symbol is Sn. SnO2, that is tin oxide. You can say stannic oxide. Then Ca. Cn is the symbol of calcium. That is, you can write here CaO, that is calcium oxide. That is, these are respective oxide of that element. So you have to memorize these oxide. So practice it. That is, for Na, Na2O, for Si, SiO2, for carbon CO2, for rubidium Rb2O. Now next question is that write the molecular formula of the compound of the following elements with a hydrogen. That is, how this element combine with a hydrogen and form hydrides. You have to refer the Mendeleev's periodic table. I have written the answer, elements, and here are the compound with a hydrogen. That is how they react with a hydrogen. First one is carbon. Carbon combine with a hydrogen to form methane compound. The molecular formula is CH4. Next one is sulfur. Sulfur combine with a hydrogen to form hydrogen sulfide. The molecular formula is H2S. Third compound Br, that is bromine. Bromine combine with a hydrogen to form hydrogen bromide. Molecular formula HBr. Next is As, that is arsenic. Arsenic combine with hydrogen to form arsine. You can see here AsH3. Next is fluorine. Fluorine combine hydrogen to form hydrogen fluoride. Molecular formula capital H, capital F, that is HF. Next, oxygen combine with a hydrogen to form water. Next one, nitrogen combine with a hydrogen to form ammonia. NH3 is the molecular formula. And next one is chlorine. Chlorine combine with a hydrogen to form hydrogen chloride, or hydrochloric acid, you can also say. So chlorine combined with hydrogen to form hydrogen chloride. These are the compound formed by the element when they combine with the hydrogen, that is they form hydrides, and the molecular formula and name of the hydrides I have written on the in this table. So you have to write this and practice it, so you will know F combined with the hydrogen to form HF. This molecular formula you have to revise. Next point present on the page number 20 is that modern periodic table. We have seen different scientists how they classified the elements on the basis of atomic mass number. But today all the scientists are using modern periodic table. They are not using the classification which are done by Dobereiner, Newland and Mendeleev. That is 118 elements are classified in modern periodic table. Then who revised or who demonstrated the modern periodic table? In 1913 AD, scientist Henry Moseley performed the one experiment in an X-ray tube. While performing the experiment, he found that there are some positive charge present on the nucleus. That positive charge is nothing but presence of protons in the nucleus. Hence, he called it as an atomic number, and he tried to classify the elements in increasing order of atomic number, not atomic mass number. Always remember, in modern periodic table, all the atoms are arranged in increasing order of atomic number. Then one question came in your mind, what is by atomic number? We have seen this term in 9th standard. Atomic number means presence of protons in an atom, called as atomic number. Another definition is presence of electron in an atom is called as atomic number. It is represented by capital Z. That is atomic number always represented by capital Z. So definition is presence of proton or presence of electrons in an atom is called as atomic number. Then you can see the scientist Henry Moseley devised modern periodic law. That is, he invented modern periodic law. We have seen Mendeleev's periodic law. Always remember, Mendeleev's periodic law is different than modern periodic law. So don't confuse with these two terms. Modern periodic law, what is a modern periodic law? Properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number. That is, properties of all elements are based on their atomic number. In Mendeleev's periodic law, we have seen properties of the elements are periodic function of atomic mass number. But in modern periodic table, properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number. Then modern periodic table is also called as a long form of periodic table. In this periodic table, all the elements are classified in an increasing order of their atomic numbers. Then you can see what is by atomic number. The total number of electrons present in an atom. Total number of electrons present in an atom is called as atomic number. Then to understand the term, what is by atom? We have seen it. Atom is nothing but smallest indivisible particle of an element called as atom. That is, we cannot make a very small when we divide element in very small quantity, then we will get atom. We cannot see with help of our eyes atoms. With the help of electron microscope, we can see the atom. Now, then what is the structure of atom? We have seen these terms in 9th standard. But to understand, again, I have drawn the atom. Suppose beryllium is one of the element. Then its atomic number is 4. Then how to draw the atom? I have drawn the atom here. In the center, there is a presence of nucleus. And nucleus contains proton and neutron. On the proton, we know that positive charge is present. Neutrons are chargeless. Then electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a specific shell or orbit. Then what are the shell and what are the orbit? These outer shells or outer circles called as shell or orbit, and this inner part is called as nucleus. Then how to locate the electrons in specific orbit? There is a one rule. That rule is called 2n square, electronic configuration rule, 2n square rule. First shell, in the first cell you have to put n is equal to 1, 1 square is equal to 1, 1 into 2, 2. That is, in first shell there are 2 electrons. In second shell you have to take n is equal to 2, 2 square 4, 4 into 2, 8. That is, in second orbit or second shell 8 electrons are present. But in case of beryllium there are only 4 electrons. So 2 electrons present in the first orbit and remaining 2 electrons goes in the next orbit. We have also seen there are K, L, M, N shells. We are going to see in the next point how the electrons are classified, then what are the shell, what is the electronic configuration, and how this electronic configuration play important role in the classification of element. So always remember, this is the structure of atom. That is, in the center nucleus, proton, neutron, electrons are revolving around it. On the electron negative charge present, proton positive charge, neutron chargeless, that is 0 charge on the neutron. How to divide the electrons in specific orbit, or how to locate the electrons in specific orbit by using 2n square